In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check problems in Visual Studio Code. When you're writing code, it's completely normal to make mistakes. Maybe a missing semicolon, a typo in a variable name, or an unused import. Visual Studio Code has a built-in problems panel that helps you quickly see and fix these issues all in one place. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to open that panel and start using it to keep your code clean and error-free. First, make sure you have your project open in Visual Studio Code and at least one file loaded in the editor. You don't need any special setup for this. The Problems panel is available by default for most languages and extensions that support error checking. Now, to get to the Problems panel, look toward the top right area of the window. You'll see a small icon that looks like it toggles a panel open and closed. This icon controls the panel area that usually appears at the bottom of your screen. Go ahead and click on that toggle panel icon. When you do, a panel will slide up from the bottom of the window, revealing several different tabs. Once the panel is open, you'll see a tab labeled Problems. Click on the Problems tab to bring it to the front. This is where Visual Studio Code lists all the errors, warnings, and other issues it detects in your workspace. After you click on Problems, take a moment to look at the list. Each entry usually includes the type of issue, a short description, and the file and line number where it appears. You can click on any problem in the list and Visual Studio Code will automatically jump your cursor to the exact line in the code where that issue is found. This makes it much faster to track down and fix mistakes instead of searching manually. If the panel looks empty, that can actually be a good sign. It may mean there are no detected problems in your open files. If you start typing incorrect code or introduce a syntax error, come back to this panel and you'll see new entries appear as the editor processes your changes. Using the Problems panel regularly is a great habit. It helps you catch